distribution effects, incorporate copy features, and professional design feature concept, professional implementation.
Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today guys, Microsoft Launcher has just received a huge update, version 6. So today guys, I'm going to share with you guys what's new in version 6 of this big update on Microsoft Launcher. So first off, of course, is the new app icon design. So it still has that same look, the design of it is just a little bit much more different, but it's still recognizable and you'll know that it's the Microsoft Launcher icon, which looks really nice. So I really like the new design that they went for with their app icon. Next, we have dark mode. So finally, Microsoft Launcher comes with dark mode. And what's awesome is that if your Android smartphone already supports the dark mode Android system, then it will come by default already turned on, and it will just work automatically without you having to do anything if your dark mode system is already on by default as well on your Android smartphone, which is really cool. So yeah, I'm really happy that dark mode is finally here because, well, dark mode on any launcher is really awesome. It saves battery and also it helps with the eyes as well. It doesn't like hurt your eyes too much when we're on our smartphones for a very long time. Next, we have Wallpaper Rotation. So this new feature, of course, only works with the wallpapers from Bing. So every single day you'll get a new wallpaper changed on your home screen. You can still use your default wallpapers that you could choose your own, or of course you could just let the launcher choose your wallpapers every single day, which is a neat little feature, of course, just to change it up every single day, which is nice. It's not a big update, but it's a nice little update that came with version 6 of Microsoft Launcher. Next, we have landscape mode. So finally, landscape mode is finally here. And so you could just move your phone to the side and it will start working and you'll have much more space to do a lot of your work, of course, if you do work with your Microsoft Launcher. And it just makes it look really nice, of course. And landscape mode is probably one of their most, features that they're going to be testing out, because they will be releasing the Surface Duo, if I'm not mistaken, that's the name, later this year, which will be running Android. So this Microsoft Launcher big update is a big test run, I think, for that product that they are releasing later this year. Next, we have newsfeed that's tailored to you. So every time that you swipe from left to right, now there's a newsfeed area to get the latest news, and it's tailored to you. So you get to customize it what you want to see, of course, on the on your news feed, of course, and see what interesting news you want. If you want local news as well from your country, or you want it from all over the world. I chose it from my local country, of course, Canada. I don't want to see every single other country's news right now. And then of course, I have it local to what I want to see, so technology, business, and all other stuff that I'm into while reading the news as well. So that's a nice little feature that has come with version 6 of this launcher update. Next, we have support for app icons looking all the same. So what that means is that with this version 6 update, you can now change your app icons to make them all look the same. So like you can have it to have the teardrop icon or the square icon, circle icon. I went with the circle icon just because it looks really cool and I just like the circle design of it. But if you don't like that, you could go for the teardrop icon and for the square icon. Now that update, the where all the apps could look the same by forcing them. It's not a new update, it's not a big new feature. Of course, this feature was like released like 2 years ago, and finally, of course, Microsoft has decided to add this feature to their launcher, which is nice and neat. It's never too late for that nice little update right there. And then of course, not least and not last, we have improved performances. So it's built on a new calling base, this launcher. So what that means is pretty much it's just battery efficient, much more faster. It should not take up too much space on your phone, and it just runs everything smoothly. And all these features are run over that new cooling base. So yeah, it's just a really big update, of course. And like I said, probably this update, since Microsoft can play around with this launcher, and of course a lot of Microsoft fans who maybe missed the Windows Phone and all that stuff, could download Microsoft Launcher, and that's like the next closest big thing to the Windows Phone, since it is run by Microsoft's launcher. And also, like I said, it's probably a test run, also a testing playground for Microsoft, not only to test out their new products that they're releasing on Android, but also on their new product that they will be releasing this year, the Surface Duo. It will be running on Android, and of course will have by default a lot of Microsoft apps. And so yeah, it's just a cool update with version 6. So it's out now. You can go and download it right now for free. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel to keep up with all the latest Android stuff. And that's pretty much it. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace